How to get rid of mold in plant soil. Mold can grow abundantly on the top of plant soil. A common cause of mold growth is overwatering. Insufficient airflow and high humidity also aid in the production of mold, which poses a danger to plants and humans, so use caution when attempting to remove it. Wear protective gloves and a dusk mask to prevent contact with the mold. To eliminate these dangerous spores from your plant soil, follow specific methods that remove and kill the offending fungus. Things you will need: drainage pot, protective gloves, potting soil, spray bottle, apple cider vinegar, water. Step 1. Take your pot of soil outdoors. While wearing protective gloves, remove the top 1-inch layer of soil. Step 2. Transfer the soil to a different pot or planter. Make sure it has adequate drainage holes in the bottom. Step 3. Replace the removed top layer of soil with fresh potting soil. Step 4. Mix a solution of 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 gallon of water. Fill a spray bottle with the solution. Step 5. Spray the top layer of soil with the vinegar solution 1 day before watering. This will help to eliminate any remaining mold spores and prevent future growth.